All right, so today we're gonna be checking out the SEEKONE heat gun. It's something I use a couple times a week, and I can't say that I am disappointed about anything that it offers. So we do have a list of features here. It does come with 4 other attachments. We're gonna break into those as well. Packaging, when you first look at it, I would give it an A+ in my opinion, or whatever that means, or however much that's worth. But packaging does look good. I have used before, so it does come with warnings on the side as well. But first impressions, I do like it. So when you first get it, it's gonna come pretty much like this, but your attachments will be in this little bag. You see, I don't have mine in that bag, but we do have attachment number 1 here. Let's see, yeah, attachment number 1. Attachment number 2, attachment number 3, and attachment number 4. So all in all, it's 5 pieces. It does come with a user manual as well. That's what you can find inside the box. It has served me well, and I've had it for a few months. I have no complaints, but I think it's a solid one, and it does sit up on this back when it does need to cool, or store it however you want to. It does come with a little clip here as well. So yeah, it's very versatile. Got low setting, high setting, off, and you're good to go. So that's the SEEKONE heat gun.